Middle East AI developments. Research, funding, and policy shifts. The Middle East continues to rapidly expand its artificial intelligence (AI) capabilities, with recent developments spanning research hubs, startup funding, and shifting national policies. This week's key trends include a surge in semiconductor R&D, increased investment in open-source AI models, and a growing focus on AI integration within education and governance structures. Semiconductor R&D and research centers. Belgium's EMEC has launched its first Middle East semiconductor research hub at Qatar Science and Technology Park, QSTP, backed by Invest Qatar and QRDI. The center will focus on AI chip design, silicon photonics, and 3D integrated circuits, aiming to hire 100 specialists by 2030. This move reflects a strategic shift to secure regional expertise in critical hardware development, rather than relying solely on external suppliers. The American University of Ras Al Khaimah, AURAK, has also opened an advanced technology and artificial intelligence center, supported by major tech firms like Microsoft, AWS, IBM, Dell, and Huawei. This facility will integrate high-performance computing, robotics, and IoT infrastructure for applied research, suggesting a push for localized AI experimentation. Researchers at Mohammed bin Zayed University of Artificial Intelligence, MBZUAI, in Abu Dhabi, unveiled Medi-XR1, an open-source multimodal medical AI model that scored a 73.6% benchmark average across 17 datasets and 95.1% on the U.S. medical licensing examination. The release of an open-source model is significant because it lowers barriers to entry for regional researchers and healthcare providers, reducing dependency on proprietary systems. Education and workforce development. Egypt will introduce AI and coding courses into technical school curricula from the 2026-27 academic year. This initiative expands national education reforms following strong enrollment in secondary coding programs and aims to strengthen the country's digital workforce pipeline. MBZUAI has introduced the Rawad AI Scholars Fellowship to support Emirati PhD graduates through 2-year postdoctoral placements at leading global institutions. This program is designed to bolster the UAE's long-term academic leadership in AI by investing in talent development. Egypt's President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi has directed the National Training Academy to integrate digital and AI-based testing systems into its human capital strategy, aiming to strengthen institutional performance and leadership training. This reflects a broader trend of using AI to optimize administrative processes and decision-making across government sectors. Funding and investment. Abu Dhabi-based Skipper Technologies raised $2 million to develop a sovereign trust layer, enabling secure AI-to-AI communication across organizations and borders. Backed by Mubadala and the Abu Dhabi government, the startup is building zero-trust infrastructure for telecoms, AI labs, and data centers. This investment underscores the growing need for secure, interoperable AI systems in a region increasingly focused on data sovereignty. EHC Investment has partnered with Supermicro to deploy sovereign AI modular data centers across the UAE. These facilities can be deployed within 6 to 9 months, reducing reliance on foreign cloud providers and enhancing regional control over AI infrastructure. Policy and governance. A proposal for a unified Gulf Cooperation Council, GCC, artificial intelligence strategy is heading to Bahrain's parliament, calling for coordinated regulation, education, and innovation policy across GCC states. This suggests a desire for greater regional collaboration to strengthen competitiveness and establish common standards. The Arab League Educational, Cultural, and Scientific Organization, ALECSO, has launched a new chair in conflict resolution and digitalization in Tunis to examine how AI is reshaping legal systems. This initiative explores digital justice frameworks and policy development across the Arab world as AI transforms judicial processes. Qatar's Ministry of Endowments and Islamic Affairs introduced Fatwa Talk, an AI-powered app delivering scholar-reviewed Islamic legal guidance. This demonstrates the integration of AI into traditionally conservative sectors, expanding access to religious advisory services. Emerging trends, Oman is considering a national AI supercomputer center to support large language model training and advanced simulations, reducing reliance on foreign cloud providers. This signals a growing trend of regional self-sufficiency in AI infrastructure. G42 in Abu Dhabi has begun hiring AI agents for enterprise roles, introducing evaluation, probation, and performance-based compensation frameworks for digital agents. This is a first step toward the integration of AI into the workforce. Tesla has initiated supervised self-driving trials in Abu Dhabi under a formal regulatory framework, evaluating real-world performance and safety readiness. This highlights the UAE's proactive approach to testing and deploying autonomous vehicle technology. The Middle East is positioning itself as a key player in the global AI landscape, with significant investments in research, infrastructure, and talent development. The region's focus on sovereign AI capabilities, secure data governance, and localized innovation suggests a strategic shift towards self-reliance and long-term leadership in the AI era.